Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update. Now this is going to be a very quick update. Yesterday we talked about SLP having a big trouble, and this trouble being the fact that you have a bear flag, right? And we talked about the bear flag. So here we are once again. This is your bear flag. You are below the bear flag. As a matter of fact, if I show you something on the daily, if I bring in this resist support right over here of the flag itself, you can already see what it did is nothing more than, breaking out of the flag, going back to retest, to fail again and again, and actually that takes you very way more down. And I spoke about this one yesterday, that it could be dragging you down all the way to these levels. Okay, so be careful. But to me right now, the more possibilities are that when you start to come down, lose the 162, of course it's gonna be a wavy journey. It's not like you're gonna dump all of a sudden to the downside straight. It's gonna be like, go a little bit down, come a little bit up, go down, come up, just something like this. Okay, that then take you all the way to the downside, maybe take the whole April and the start of May as well. So what I'm gonna say though is that you still are below this bear flag. Maybe you might go a little bit up to the 178, touch the bear flag again, come to the 162, lose the 162, which is a stop loss here, and then you go to the 144, which is your technical target. Out of that Fibonacci retracement, bottom to the top, which is the losing golden ratio that we talked about, and then from there you start to actually go to the downside because of the bear flag. Now I just want to show you Bitcoin very quickly, and they actually coincide with Bitcoin, and I have spoke about Bitcoin bearish pattern. So here we are with the Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin doing is it's making a bearish pattern right here. Let me open it up in Qcoin. Yeah, so here we are, and this is known as bearish symmetrical triangle, and I've already talked about the bearish symmetrical triangle. You can see when the prices are going down like this, and then you start to move in a triangle, squeezing inside a triangle like that. This is known as a symmetrical triangle, but when you come from a downtrend, it becomes a bearish one. So you go down like this, you squeeze in a triangle, potentially to break out to go to the downside, and it can take you to $34,000. Okay, so you just gotta be careful in this space. That's all in this update that I just want to show you. So it's up to Bitcoin today or tomorrow. Which direction do you pop out of? Can you pop to the downside? You're gonna see SLP following Bitcoin and potentially mirroring how Bitcoin is gonna fall. Maybe if it starts to fall to the 34K region, you're gonna see this one fall, maybe even way below to the 120s, and then still continue with the dumps as well. So that's it for today's update, and I'm going to see you with the new one. Allah Hafiz.